Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And this episode, the second episode, I'm going to be showing you all of your cupboard essentials, all the ingredients that you need to make that perfect Chinese. All ready? Let's rock and roll. Okay guys, right. The first thing that you definitely need and is needed in most Chinese recipes is soy sauce. This is Lee Kum Kee, and this is a premium light soy sauce. So this is lighter than the dark, but it's also the saltier. So we use light soy sauce more for flavoring rather than coloring. So this is definitely a must. Next to that, and opposite then, is the premium dark soy sauce. This is fermented longer, and then it is purely for color, not flavor. So we use that a little bit more sparingly than the light soy sauce. Next up, we have oyster sauce. Now this is also a premium brand from Lee Kum Kee, and it is a Lee Kum Kee premium oyster sauce. It's more expensive. It's around about £5 for this jar, and you get the small ones for about £2.50. They do another brand, which is a slightly cheaper brand, but no less. You know, it's still as good. But obviously, if you want the best, it's got to be Lee Kum Kee premium oyster sauce for me, anyway. If you're vegetarian or doing a vegetarian dish and you don't want the actual oyster sauce, Lee Kum Kee also do a mushroom vegetarian stir fry sauce. So this is the vegetarian option that you can use instead of oyster sauce. Next, we have the Shaoxing cooking wine. This is literally just for cooking, not drinking, although there is some alcohol. It's about 14% alcohol in that. That is purely used for cooking and is another essential. There also is like a white cooking wine, but I don't have that. This is typically what I use, the Shaoxing wine. Now, at the end, we don't cook with this. This is pure sesame oil. We do not cook with it. It is a garnish, or it is used as a marinade. So you use it sparingly. It is from toasted sesame seeds and is quite potent. So like I say, it's used at the end as a garnish, or you can use it in marinades. Moving on, we now have white rice vinegar. This is primarily what goes into like your sweet and sours and those kind of sauces where you're needing that vinegar texture. This usually comes from white rice vinegar. There is a black version. I'll show you that in a moment. But more often than not, this is this is what we'll be using, white rice vinegar. And as said, this is black vinegar. It's probably used in less recipes, more precise, specific recipes, rather than the white. So there you have it, guys. There's my little basket of treasures in there. Okay, here's some of the other selections that I keep in my cupboard as well. Starting off with, we've got some red dried chilies. We can go into some recipes. If you've never seen this before, it is cloud fungus. It's dried, so what you do is you'll rehydrate those in water, and then you can use that in recipes too. We've got some cinnamon rolls that'll go into some recipes. Some of you might know this. This is star anise. The obligatory 5-spice powder. And then we have some Szechuan peppercorns. Another essential, I think, for a cupboard is got to be dried shiitake mushrooms. You can use fresh, but the recipes will benefit better if they are dried. And then finally along here, we got some black soybeans. If you're doing like a black bean sauce, that's what you need. And that's just some of my cupboard essentials that I've got. But these, could be a good starter to making some wonderful Chinese dishes. So that is it from me. Thank you very much for joining me. Until next time, if you enjoyed this episode, do remember to like and subscribe. I've been Icobacca, aka David. Until next time, bye!